Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's release day over in the Whimsy Stamps shop, and today I am here to reveal the new Under the Sea stamp set. It is a clear 4x6 stamp set. It comes with 11 super cute images as well as 5 sentiments, and the sentiments are Ray of Sunshine, Shallow, Pucker Up, Just Because, and Shrimply the Best. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and for my first one I used those little shrimp. I think they're super cute, especially that little tiny one. For my second sample I did a slimline shaker card using the slimline card builder die along with the Under the Sea paper pack. And for my third sample I used the new slimline connected rectangles die, and I just cut some of the patterned paper also from the Under the Sea paper pack to fit behind the rectangles, and then added a piece of blue cardstock behind that and then mounted that to my card. For more information about the products used, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.